Hello, welcome to SomaAfrica. Today I'll be taking you through how to create an account, how to become an ambassador, and the features of a school's account. So when you go to somaafrica.com, you will land on this page. It has a lot of links. If you're looking for online admissions, you just click there, e-learning, online exams, whatever you're looking for. Or on top, if you're looking at searching schools, you can just click on schools. Or if you're looking for bursaries and offers, just click on the offers, e-learning, quiz, so on and so on. So for our case, we shall start with creating an account, because most of the features require you to have an account so that we can keep a record of everything you're doing. So if you already have an account, you can log in with your email and password and input that code. You can choose to remember and then sign in. Or you can sign in with Google account. For those who don't want to remember their email, you can just sign in with your Google account or Facebook account. If you don't have an account, go to sign up, click sign up. They give you an option to create a login with email and password. I provide your names here and then email and password. This is not username, just your normal names, and then email and password. Then input the code, and then the system will automatically generate a username for you. But in most cases, you'll need email and password to log in. But if you don't want to remember password, you can sign up using a Google account or a Facebook account. When you click on say Google, if you're already logged in into your Gmail, it will automatically pick the details and then sign you in. Or for me, I've already signed in, so I already created an account, so it just signs me in. But if you don't have an account, it will take you through the process of choosing whether you want to create a school account, a parent account, or another type of account. For my case, I really don't need need to take you through an ambassador's account, which is if you want to become an ambassador, you have to create an account as a parent. So when you go under sign in, if I'm to sign in with Google, I'll choose an account that is already logged in or created as a parent account. When I click here, I should be able to log me in. As an ambassador, or as a parent, since all parents are eligible to become ambassadors, and also students are eligible to become ambassadors. So you will see something like this, where they're telling you if you want to become an ambassador, you can click get started. You can either click there, or you can come under ambassadors here from main and then ambassadors. You'll see an option for become ambassador. When you click become ambassador, it generates for you your promo code. It generates a promo code, which provides people 100,000 discount, and then it expires at a certain date. I think it is not showing here. We'll have to check on that. Oh, actually, it's up here. It's up here. This is your promo code. So if you sign up a school and they reach the process of paying their subscription, you just give them this promo code so that they can input that code, and they get this 100,000 discount. If they don't put the promo code, they will have to pay a subscription of 600,000. But with your code, they get a 10%, not actually 10%. So it's a good percentage, 100,000 off as a discount. So that's all I wanted to show in this, because as an ambassador, all you need is your code and then you start reaching out to the schools on how to use the system and show them how to use the system. So we are going to go to one account that is for a school so that I can show you the benefits for the school. So I have to sign in as a school here with a school account. I already created an account that is for school. So when you log in, first of all, you can see here, it is a school's account. You land on your dashboard where you have an option to add the school. For me, I already have 2 schools. You can see one in yellow and one in white. The one in yellow has a paid subscription. When you go there, you will see a pay subscription button is already there. And I think I have attempted to pay subscription before. I didn't go through with the process. I didn't go through with the process. I think I already have an invoice. We track invoices here. Yeah, I have an invoice here for payment pending. We track when you try to pay and when you put your an ambassador's codes, then they take you to where you choose whether you want to pay using mobile money or Visa or card, any cards. We provide those options, mobile money, and then the cards, Visa, MasterCard, uh, American Express. So depending on what you want to use, you'll be having the option. But you can add the school without paying. Just come here, put the information, the school name. You have to choose whether it is a single boys, single girls, or mixed, and then the level, whether it is having nursery and primary, nursery daycare, secondary, or whatever. The location, the district, this information is important. Email, phone, if you have a website, and a description. The detailed description is what goes on the website. When someone goes to the website and searches for let me see here. Someone goes to the website and searches for your name and goes to your account. What you put under description comes under about the school. And all these details like the phone, email, website, they get displayed on your mini website on our system, where people have the option to apply, to send you a message, to subscribe. For example, I'm already subscribed to this school, so everything they do, if they post an activity or anything, I get a notification. But let's go back. What you put under this summary is what people see when they try to search your school. For example, when they go under schools here, there's a mini, what they see first here before they go to the page. This is the summary that you would have input. When they go to the page, they see the description, the longer description. So be sure to provide this summary and then detail the description, and then you save. I will not create another school. I'll go back to the dashboard. So you have the option to use these. When you click under options, you can see what you can do, what you can set on the school. So you can use that, or you can just click on a school, on the school name, and then they take you to their profile, or their profile, where you have links to anything that you want to do. If you want to add fees, just come here. You can add fees, you can add requirements and everything that you do inside here. If your school is already registered, because after paying the subscription, the school becomes available on our website and can be accessed by anyone. But before paying subscription, it's only you who can see what you're doing or whatever information you're updating on your school. It cannot be seen by the public or the students. So you can easily add a fees, let's say a 6 fees, that's 5 fees, you add a figure, add the currency, you can display something. Then you say save, successful, and it will automatically show up here if we refresh on your page. It has shown up here. So everything that you do inside your school account gets reflected. The same applies to if you're adding a requirement. Basically, you need to update your school profile to updated info. And I didn't show you, but there is an option to delete if the information is is outdated. You have the option to delete, and then you add afresh. So can always come back to the dashboard, click on your school, and then see if you want to add events. When you add events, everyone who has subscribed to your school gets a notification. If they have already signed up their Facebook accounts, Messenger, they even get a notification in their Messenger, in their email. We want to keep the parents and the school connected. So everything that you do, that you post, if it is either discussion or an event or anything, you use this page, and people who have subscribed, they automatically get a notification. So let me try testing again. I show you how to create, but everything is easy. Provide a title, a short description, uh, another more elaborate description, and then some events have expiry dates, so you can provide an expiry, and when that expiry date reaches, it automatically disappears. So when you do post, it takes it is successful, so you can see it here. I've posted, and people can actually interact with what you've posted. Once they have gotten the notifications, they can come and leave a comment, for example. Let me try. I'm commenting here, and I can post. And when I post successfully, you can see here they're saying SomaAfrica commented on this. When I click here, I can see the comment. So you can see people interacting with your school. So you can either post an activity, an event, and any update, and people who have subscribed get the notification, and they can come have real-time interaction with you as the school. So that's one of the features of trying to connect the schools and the parents and the students, so that there is real-time communication. They can even actually send you a message, and then you can also send them a message, all those who have subscribed to your school. You can add bursaries. Create a bursary. Many schools use this feature to market their school because many parents are looking for bursaries. So if you add a bursary, your school appears in a special column, a special tab on our website where we have offers. So many parents will go to the offers tab to see which schools are offering any bursaries. If you got first grade, have bursary, then you can add. So when you add the bursary, like I said, everything that you're doing, the other side shows up. Here we still have one bursary. If you will refresh, you shall see what we've added is here. It was updated today. It even shows the end user when you posted it, so that they can know whether they are a little too late or not. So there's a lot you can do on your account. You can add admins to, for example, this school is administered by more than one person. So if you have someone else that you want to add as an admin, you just go under admin, add admin, and then it opens this, and they can give you their username. And you'll see a plus button, which will click, but they must be having a school's account. When they created their account, they should have chosen a category of school's account and not parent, in order to have all the features of managing a school. So, but you can input their username, and you'll see a plus button, which you can click to add them to have management of the school. And if you give them access, they'll be able to do everything that you can do, except deleting, because only the creator can delete other admins from the account. Yeah, so you can set admission fees. For example, we have 20K. It actually shows up here on your main website. So if you change to, let's say, 50, everything gets updated real time on the website. If this has finished, then and we come here and refresh, you see it has changed from 20 to 50,000. Yeah, so you have the option to add classes. We need you to add classes because we have created an auto grading and a reporting system. So if you have created the class, for example, let me add S3. If you've created a class, then you can easily upload a list of student names for that particular class. When you go here, you choose a class, and then you upload a file. We shall be providing a link to download a template of how the file should look like. We should have the names and some little bio information about those students, and you can upload, because this will also be is like a database of your student bio information. But in most cases, we are doing this because under exams, you'll be able to upload or manually input the results of each subject for each student, and then the system will automatically tally, generate the report, and also automatically grade, generate the report, and then send the reports to the parents that have subscribed to your school and using their student's name, so that they can get the results of their students online. And the application here is where you'll be receiving all your applications. If someone applies to your school, you'll see the applications here. You can print them if you wish. But you can click, you'll be able to click, and there's an option here. I don't have an application that has come in through, that has come in yet, but you just click on a student name, and then it opens the application, and you review their information. They are able to attach report cards, ID, passport photo, anything that you require, and then you have the option to just click admit or reject, and then it automatically sorts them, those admitted and those rejected, and you can print the list, just so that on reporting day you have a list of all those that you admitted. The documents that you want, you can actually even see them further here. All the report cards get sorted here, and passport photos here, and former school IDs there. And if you wish to have more than those kind of details, you can let us know. We can create for you another folder of certain information that you need. Yeah, and I think I've finished the details that can be updated via this. Of course, I don't know if I've showed gallery, but you can add photos to the gallery. You can actually delete. For example, I can delete this. And when you delete, like I said, everything that you do there gets updated on your website. When I say, for example, add, I can add testing. You can add a photo. Just be sure that you're adding a photo in the format of a photo, either JPEG or PNG. And when it is successful, you'll see it here inside your account. But most importantly, even your people who come to your page, they'll be able to see everything. So schools can use this to post photos about their school. Basically, we're using this mini page to market the school, but also to keep all the resources of the school in one place, like the documents that you upload for e-learning, the videos, the activities to connect the school and the parents. If someone wants to apply, if someone wants to subscribe, they can unsubscribe and use these changes to subscribe now. You can send the school a message, you can apply, you can see the activities, you can go to the overview to get bursaries and stuff like that. So through your mini website, the parents, students, and the public can get to know a lot about the school. So, and we market that in a way of marketing your school. So under invoices, if you tried to make any payments or anything to do with payments, you'll get an invoice for those who need to take these two accounts. You'll see details and the status. And I think if you click, you get details about what you were paying for. Yeah. But you should have your invoice, and you should be able to copy, to export. If you want to download as a CSV or a PDF, for example, if you click as a CSV, it will automatically download, and you can be able to see the details of that invoice in the file that has been downloaded. Registration fees, amount, date, the school you were paying for, the status, stuff like that. You can also download it as a PDF if that's what you wish. The people who send you messages over this messages button, you get to see the messages under here, and also under events. This is you can go here to list all your events that you either created. You can list those from your school, or you can even actually see that there is even a comment, people who left comments on the events that you posted, or you can list events from the schools that you subscribe to. If you have subscribed to a school and it posts anything, you'll be able to see it under events as if you choose from subscriptions. Okay, so under subscriptions, this is where you see the people who have subscribed to your school. Actually, this is where you see, if you're a school, you see the people who have subscribed to your school, but also if you've subscribed to a school, this is where you see the schools you've subscribed to. So you can subscribe and unsubscribe from as many schools as you want so that you can keep getting notifications or updates from them. If you are an ambassador, these don't work for a school account. We are going to remove them. But for a parent or a student account, this is where you go. You remember at the beginning we went on ambassadors to generate our code. But also there is a button for withdrawals where you can monitor the payments that have been made, because you get a commission, 40% commission for every school that you bring on board and pays using your code. So you'll be able to monitor your payments via the withdrawals tab. Okay, so we've looked through all these and more school-specific features. For example, you can create online quizzes. This is something that is helping schools a lot, as they can set practice tests for their students so that as they are preparing for UNEP or end of term exams, they can always go in the school lab and try out different tests to test their knowledge. So can come here and then just click create a quiz. It should be easy. You have to choose whether these topics are, would have created them under learning materials here. You create categories. There is big categories, you see. You can create a category. Let's say, you can say this is a category for S3, and it will be added. So this, when you're publishing any learning materials, including quizzes or reading materials or videos, we always put them under different categories. So Uganda quiz, you choose, you see we've added S3 and it has showed up here. And then you give it a topic, maybe we're doing physics. And then maybe, yeah, for S3, S1. And then you give a duration of this, because we want this to seem like a real exam, just like you go into an exam and you have 30 minutes to finish a paper. So you can define here how long it should take for this quiz for someone to have finished it. You can put a description. Testing again. Just trying to make it unique to not be like anything else I've done. So this is here. You can choose to publish it so that it shows up the other side. Just click publish, and you can also unpublish if you wish. And then, yeah, then you can always update. I wasn't looking to update. Don't want to update. Go back here. So I've published it. I can add questions. You can add questions. Okay. You go here, you add the question. For example, testing physics. And then you add choices. Since it is a quiz, it is a multi-choice. Someone can, you give them options and they can choose. You can say this is the right answer. And then you can add another option. And then you choose, say this is the wrong answer. You can add multiple, as many as you wish. And you can have many that could be right answers and the wrong ones. Just need to be sure to make sure that the system can automatically mark the exam. The moment they submit like this, they can know whether it is they passed or not. So when we go back to all quizzes, we've added our questions. We can actually view the questions if we wish. They're here. Testing physics, option 1, 2, and 3. And you'll see all the questions you had under that quiz. And you can attach it to a school, or yeah, when you attach it to a school, then it shows up to that school's website under quizzes. When you go under quizzes, if you attached it to a school, then the school will show up here with that quiz. Yeah, so that's quizzes, and actually you can monitor the quizzes you've taken if you're a parent or a student, or you can also choose to take a quiz. This one takes you directed to our quiz center, where you can see all the quizzes from all the schools, depending on whether the school decided to make the quiz public or not through publishing. We did the quiz. Let's do learning materials. I think, I don't know if we did this, but under learning materials, you can easily create a category, like I showed you before how to create a category, and then you can create a document. Is it a document? Let's see. I think after creating a category, then you come and add a file. You can choose to add the file here, testing file, test, then you can attach the file, and then you upload. Yeah, so when we go here under the category and we choose view, we can see testing file here has been uploaded, and you can choose whether you want this learning material that you've uploaded to show. So those that are not showing are always in red. You can always click show, and it will show. When we go back to view files, you can see what was in red is no longer in red. You can also determine whether you want it to be downloadable so that people can download it to use offline. So you click on allow, like this one is already allowed. So if you want, you can click block. So if you want to allow, you just click allow. And then you can assign the learning materials to a school. If your school, a school that you manage has already paid subscription, you'll be able to see it here so that you can assign a category. And after assigning, then it will show up the other side on the website and learning materials. Yeah, so that is it. You create a category and then it will show up. Then you add files, assign to a school, view files. And you would have uploaded your past papers, coursework, books, anything that you want to help your school or your students. You can upload it here as long as it is just read only. You can even do past papers. If you want to add videos, right now we are supporting YouTube videos. You just come add a link and it will fetch, and then it will be added, and it can easily be will be accessible over your mini website. And when someone goes to your website and goes to video resources, they'll be able to see right now there are no videos to show. But if you've uploaded, the videos will be there. So we keep everything nice and easy on your mini page. Yeah, so that should give you learning materials, e-learning, either using videos or reading materials, and also the quizzes, and you can also manage all your schools. So those are the major features: the quiz, the e-learning, and the connectivity of the school and the parents using events, messages, and subscriptions, and then being able to do online admissions, which can be accessed via your website and the applications, and then being able to do automatic grading and reporting and the results, students and class, and then being able to provide the offers that you're offering, bursaries and stuff like that, that help market your school. And then we also give you a nice main website where you can input your info. Right now, it is optional to choose whether we should collect for you your school admission fees. So we encourage you to input your accounts and account information of how you want to collect your school application fees, so that the system on our side will just collect our service fees, so that you don't have to say how do we trust you with our money. You can provide your accounts for all the money, and then someone can attach a receipt after they have paid the for example, admission fee. They can come and attach when they are applying for admission into your school, and then for us, you just charge them our service fee. And on your side as a school, we don't charge you anything. For you, just pay a one-time, a one annual fee that gives you access to everything in this account, and more that will come. So that's it. Can look at your profile here. You can change the photo, update your information as you wish. So thank you, and enjoy.